Hey guys, so we arrived today around 6 p.m. We're back in the Philippines, back in Manila, and today's the first night, and we don't have lots of daylight outside, so we're just gonna do something relaxing, something more chill. And then tomorrow we'll probably do some more exploring. Tonight we'll probably just go have some dinner and then go explore BGC and then get a massage. So we're just visiting at Chowking because they were so busy and full. So we just stopped by there and grab something quick. And then we're heading to what's that street called? Bonifacio High
Bonifacio.
Bonifacio High Street Central. Yeah, we're gonna check that out. 'Cause last time we came here, we didn't go anywhere outside Manila. It's a different city. Hoping there's some good food there because I'm still hungry. It's so pretty on here though. Yeah, guys, we just got dropped off somewhere. I don't know if we're supposed to be in there. We're at the BGC area. We're not sure where we're going. It's the first time here. We got tired. But I think we're going somewhere over there. So I think this is the central area where everybody's at. Everybody's just hanging around. The weather's pretty nice. It's like, it's a little bit humid, but it's not hot. We're trying to look for food spots, but there's a lot of stuff here. Yeah, this is really cute. There's a lot of like random small shops. I mean, there's like pop-up shops. There's computer stores. There's Happy Lemon, her favorite boba place. The vibe here is nice. Peace City. We came to this store here. Looks like a Halloween shop. Yeah. Oh yeah, a pumpkin. We're walking to the massage place now. We're both exhausted. We were like in the taxi and then we both fell asleep while getting here. It's gonna be a short vlog of the first night. Yeah, unfortunately we arrived so late. We arrived, the sun was already down. We've been traveling for 20 hours to get here. Barely slept. We're going to this massage place called Breeze Oriental Massage. I think we're gonna just do a leg massage today. And maybe the next day do a full body. Our legs are killing us. We've been sitting on the plane for too long. It's really pretty here though. So I think it's an alleyway here. Oh, that looks like a spa place. The green logo. It does not look open. It looks very closed. Oh wait, oh, I think they're open. I think they're open. To the front. Yeah. Mm-hmm. We're getting a Thai massage on our feet. It's been not washed for a while. Bathroom review. Very clean. We just finished our massage and it's 11:30 right now. A lot of shops are already closed. Like stores, but restaurants are still open. Let's just try to find some food. Surprise guys, we lied. We didn't go to a restaurant because they're all closed. So we got a taxi back. And we passed out in the taxi like 5 times. But we did order food. We ordered Grab. So we're gonna have a mukbang tonight. We're trying a few Filipino dishes that I will show you later. We got the goods, everyone. What do we have here?
Beef patties.
Oh, okay. And we have tofu. Garlic rice. Oh, that's so good. Chicharron. Woo! So excited for this one.
The egg for the...
And then we got congee with lechon on top, right?
Lechon on top, yeah, with egg.
With the egg.
You need to cut your own egg.
And the best part is we have
Calamansi.
so much calamansi and soy sauce.
With chili oil.
And chili oil. Alright, I'm gonna first get this bag of soup out. Look at the flavor up top. Look at all the meat in the bottom. Ooh, it's hot.
It's really hot.
Alright guys, it's time to eat. We prepped everything. We put the sauce in. This is my speed run of all this food. First one. Tofu.
With vinegar.
Tofu with vinegar. Look at that.
Oil.
And with chili oil. Looks beautiful. Eight out of 10. It looks crispy. 9 out of 10. Second one, congee. Or arroscato. Arroscato.
With lechon topping.
With lechon on top. And we're put a calamansi in here. I'm gonna get a piece. See a big fat lechon. Nine out of 10. The lechon was crispy, like fresh. 9.5. But you can't control that because it's been delivered. Next one, chicharron. Vinegar in the bottom. And look at that. It looks beautiful. Ten out of 10. Crispy, fatty, juicy. Yeah, big chunks of meat in there, and they got the broth. You see the grease on top, the fats. Put some rice. $8.5. It's pretty good. The garlic rice really helps a lot. The beef is tender. The broth is like sweet. So it's like a sweet beef broth. And I thought it'd be more salty because most soups are salty. Alright, I think that's it. I'm gonna go devour all of this. And then we're gonna go sleep afterwards because we're surviving on 4 hours of sleep probably, max. Hey guys, so as expected, everything's been devoured. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell the price of everything. So we ordered this off of Grab. And everything you saw, oh, and we got 2 waters. These waters are about 62 pesos total, the 2 of them. The total came out to 604 pesos. It seems like we looked at the restaurant prices too, right, on through Google. So I mean, this place is really good. But if you go to the restaurant, it'd be a lot cheaper because we realized that one of the dishes we got, it's 131 pesos here. But then it is only 96 pesos in the restaurant. So yeah, you want to try it out, you want to save some money, go in person. It probably tastes better too because it's fresh. But you know, we're lazy people right now. So we're just eating out at our hotel room. But yeah, definitely try it out. It's a really good spot. Thanks again for watching, and I apologize for this short video. The next one will be a banger.